Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Jaguar F-Type SVR, courtesy of Jaguar of Norwood. Look at this thing. It's just so cool. I love these cars. SVR exhaust. Oh, you know, if I had the money, I would buy this thing right here, right now. 575 horsepower from a supercharged V8. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's just cool. There we go. SVR seats. SVR kick plate. And then, so supply power. Put it in dynamic mode, make sure exhaust's on. To make it sound good. All right. Alcantara. Tiny visor. What a machine, guys. What a machine. Put that in sport. Actually, I'm gonna do normal drive at first. Oh yeah, when you turn the air on, that pops up. Love the carbon fiber accents in this example. What I don't love is traffic. But you get traffic anywhere you go nowadays, so. Yep, that's noisy. Crackles are insane. Now for 2021, There's no more SVR, at least for right now. However, the new 2021 F-Type has the same motor as the SVR. But weirdly, this just feels different in a good way. It's a little bit more firm, a little bit more dialed in. And I bet you the new SVR is gonna have like 600 horsepower. Matter of fact, I can almost guarantee that it's gonna have 600 horsepower. Also, I don't know if it's a red coupe, which everybody associates with Ferrari, but the amount of attention you get in this thing is insane. This is, out of all the cars I've ever driven, this thing gets the most attention. It's insane. That might be half the reason. Just the sound of this thing, the savage sound. It sounds like it's ripping you apart. Well, that's a good thing. This thing is amazing. It's like ripping at your eardrum saying, love it. It is awesome. For 2021, they also dialed back the crackles. I miss them. I honestly do. But you still have the sound between gear shifts just going bam, bam. Oh, it sounds fantastic. I just drove the 21, and it's an awesome car. I love it. When did these come out? 2013, 2014? Right about then these came out, and 21 is the first major refresh. Gosh. This thing is just an absolute animal of a car. Never such a good car. Here we go. Oh my goodness, this thing is awesome. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's just one of the best cars I've ever driven. Casual 570S. guys, thank you so much for watching. So much thanks to Jaguar of Norwood for allowing me to drive this thing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.